Today's learning target, I can add and subtract integers. Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. It is a terrific Tuesday. As we get started today, we're taking a look at our new topic, which is adding of integers. So I've identified 5 different problems here, and one strategy we're going to use when we add integers is the number line. Okay, and that movement that we looked at yesterday in the Khan Academy video of how to place these on a number line so we can create a correct answer. So you'll notice that I have some problems with both negatives, some with a positive number and negative, positive and negative, both negatives and both negatives. So we can have a variety of different types of problems. Some kids might ask, why is there parentheses around this negative number and not that? It means the same thing. However, we put parentheses there because otherwise it would be something that looked like this, plus, minus 2. And kids would say, well, do you want me to add it or subtract it? And it becomes confusing. So what we do is we place those parentheses around the number line, or around the negatives, so you know it's adding a negative 2. It just helps to clarify what they're asking. So the first one, I'm going to start at 0, and I need to go in the negative direction 5 places. So I went up and over to negative 5. Now I want to turn around and add a negative 2. So if I stopped here, and now I want to go 2 more spots to the negative, I come up and I go 2 more spots and I end up right here. So 5 negatives plus 2 more negatives equals negative 7. The next one, a negative 1 plus 5. So I start at 0 and I go in the negative direction 1 place. Now it's saying I want to add a positive 5. If we're going in the positive direction, we're going to start from where we were at negative 1, and I'm going to go 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. I end up at positive 4. Same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. 5 take away 1 is 4. Take the sign of the higher number, then it'll be exact. Our positives, we have more positives than we have negatives. Okay? It's watching that movement as to which direction do we go on a number line when it's a positive number or negative. Next, we start at 0 and we go down to negative 2. Negative 2 is illustrated by moving to the left on the number line. Now it's saying go in the positive direction 4 places. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to move 4 places. It doesn't mean go all the way down to positive 4. It says from here 1, 2, 3, 4 places. I end up at a positive 2. Same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. 4 take away 2 gives me 2. Take the sign of the higher number, then it'll be exact. We have 2 more. I'm going to move you over a little bit. This one, negative 5 plus a negative 5. So we start at 0 and we go down to negative 5. It's our starting spot. And now we want to go in the negative direction 5 more places. So I'm going to start at negative 5 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same signs, add and keep. So I have both negative numbers, same signs, so I'm going to add them up. Okay, same signs, add and keep. So I'm keeping the same sign. Negative 5 plus negative 5 gives me negative 10. The last one that we're going to do as an example is negative 4 plus a negative 6. So I'm starting at 0 and I'm going up over to negative 4. So this is where we're starting. And now we want to go in the negative direction. You see where I'm at up there? We're going in the negative direction 6 more places. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I end up at negative 10. So, same signs, add and keep. 4 plus 6 is 10. Keep same signs, add the numbers, keep the same sign. Same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. Take the sign of the higher number, then it'll be exact. Continue with your practice today. I'd like you to pay particular attention in the IXL on the lesson that includes number lines. So 7th grade, I believe. If you would use that as your assignment today and complete lesson on number lines in our IXL assignment. If you're not sure which that is, you can refer back to the Google Classroom assignment on IXL and you'll see each one of those activities listed. Have a great day. Today's learning target, I can add and subtract integers.